All right. Um. Uh. I don't know. I think I'm recording. I think you can hear me. I don't care about that. But today, we're playing something new for the channel. We're playing Teardown, and I feel like going. I didn't even click anything. I didn't even click anything. Well, guess we're going to whatever freaking map that said. Whatever the frick. Anyways, yeah. No. No, put that red little. Anyways, yeah, anyways, dude. So, I know this looks horrible to you because y'all have never seen me play Teardown on this channel. And I have to turn my graphics down incredibly low for most games to even run. Gary's mod being an exception because it's a pretty small game. Well, I mean, no, it's actually a huge game. But I don't know, the graphics aren't like amazing in the game, so I don't have to turn them down. There's not really much to turn down. Anyways, today we're playing finally. Is that a giant starfish? What the frick? That thing is giant. It's not normal. You're not normal. I'm killing you. You deserve to die. You deserve to be absolutely molecularly destroyed. I don't know what I'm saying. Is that the right terminology for it? Sure. Yeah. Go die in a fire. All the evidence will be thrown overboard into the ocean. Alright. It's dead. But we gotta get rid of the evidence that it had a home. We gotta get rid of its home. Gotta get rid of every last bit of evidence. This place looks decently cleared. And oh boy, a boat for me to go crash. I mean, what? Yeah, a boat for me to go crash. I, wrong word. I didn't say that. You didn't hear anything. Boat for me to sail. I don't know if that's the right terminology once again. Hey, it's got a truck on it. I can drive it. I'm, I don't want to drive that truck into the ocean, but at the same, I want to drive that truck into the ocean, but at the same time, I don't. Open the door! Open the. Screw you. Fine. Looks like I'm gonna have to open the door myself. I'm gonna blow the door off the hinge. How you feel about that door? Maybe now you'll want to listen next. Oh my god, that screwed up the vehicle condition. Oh my god. Hold up. Okay, so, yeah. Now, our current goal is to get this vehicle, the truck, not the boat, alright, to get the truck onto land. That is our current goal. I believe we can do it. Oh crap! Oh crap! It's the Titanic all over again. I shouldn't say that. Alright, now. Dang, this thing's actually really good at stopping. Wait. What bed? I'm clicking. Oh! That's cool. Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh crap! Turn! Turn! No! 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 Don't turn that far! Don't! Ah, my God! Dude, that actually. Oh crap! Shallow waters. We're going into shallow waters. Oh crap! Right now. Okay, right now. Time to free this vehicle of its binding straps. Oh, wait. Free the vehicle of its binding straps. I don't care if it destroys the boat. I'm fine with it. Yeah, actually, I could probably crouch and not shoot the boat while doing this. Right now. Oh, crap, 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 crap. Oh, okay. Okay, I see, I see. I see, said the blind man. Before space. God dang it. Stupid truck. Bro. I don't care if I absolutely wreck this boat. I just want to get the car on land. The truck. Sorry, my mistake. I just want to get the truck on land. I don't give a crap what happens to this boat. Alright now. Looking pretty good. There we go, now stop. I said stop. I said stop! Alright now. So, yeah, now we should be able to. Yeah! Heck yeah, boys! Yes, sir. Oh, crap, no. I don't want to crash this thing. I just got it. Yeah! Alright, now time to park it. Time to park it. And now I can destroy this boat. Now I can destroy this boat. Oh, cool. Drag! Open the thingy. Oh, yeah, wait a minute. I know how to open the thingy. Oh, God, that thing's full of water. What the frick? Oh, dude. Oh, heck nah. What the holy crap? Dude, I'm like waist deep in. Well, not really. This is like ankle deep in water. And I'm gonna make it deeper. Oh, crap. I fell through one of the pipe bomb. Oh, God. Well, now this boat is. Okay. Now this boat is probably completely screwed. I don't know. Wait. Alright, now. Okay, so I'm gonna get very, very far back to do this. Oh god. Oh! Oh god! Okay, so yeah, now I'm gonna have to do that again over here. Oh god, that's probably way too much, but I don't care. Oh god, we're going down. Oh wait, not yet. We're not going down yet, folks. But I want to go down, so I'm just going to do all of that while I'm trapped in here. And I'm gonna go. Stay out of my way. Oh my god. Holy heck, I almost died. Holy heck, I almost died. Are we going down yet? I think so. But are we? Nope, not yet. I'm gonna have to put a couple more holes in this thing. Mm. That should be good enough, right? Nope. Apparently not. I'm really focused on dying, aren't I? Or was that not taking out? Oh crap. Ah! No! Wow. Well, guess I'm dead. But no, I'm not. Where'd that boat go? Is it sinking? Are you sinking? Where's the boat? Dang, it's nowhere near sinking. It's not even close to sinking. Well, I can fix that. With a little bit of nitrogen, nitrogen, nitroglycerin. I don't know. Is that even a real thing? Nitroglycerin. Like I just Is that a cannon? Is this a warship? No, that ain't no warship. God dang it. Let me up. I said let me up. Let me up right now, bro. 360. Oh, I was gonna say 360 no scope. Now that thing's gotta be going under, right? Screw it. I'll just put it further out in the water. How about that, pal? Still not far out enough. There you go. Goodbye. I'm gonna take this boat and I'm just going to go. Oh crap, that's causing lag. Oh crap. No, did that damage me? No way. No way it did. No way it did. No way it did. No way it did. No way. No! God dang it, it's lost a Screw it. Goodbye, buddy. Find some new tires and a new case. Or whatever you call it. Alright now. Alright guys, now time for some vandalism. Another giant sea star. No, this shall not stand. You shall not stand. I will cover your face with spray paint. Rat, move, stupid! Move, move, move. Bro, my character wouldn't move. My character wouldn't move. God dang it, bro. Well, that sucks. At least I still got that boat to vandalize. Oh, wait. Oh, here it is. Oh, and I also got this place to vandalize. Smiley face. Now we gotta give him a head, and then a body, and then some legs, and then some arms, and we got a stick man. Yippee! Bro, why do you keep moving like that, person who I'm playing as, bro? I just had the best idea. A little bit of vandalism. Smiley face. Right now, I'm just gonna color the whole place yellow. Ooh. Yeah, pee. Woo, guys, I'm so good at driving boats. Or sailing. It's not a sailboat, so it wouldn't be considered sailboat. Wow, guys, I'm such a good captain. Oh my gosh, I love captaining boats. I know that's not the right terminology at all, but wow, guys, I really love captaining boats. I'm so good at it. Wait, I thought that was my sledge. I'm so good at it. Wait, what the heck? I just clicked C. What did that do? I just pressed C. I clicked C on my keyboard and I got very small. Wow, my gun only breaks 1 pixel. Screw being small. If I click V, can I V clip? Nope, not a thing in this game, I guess. Don't like that. It was looking at me funny. You too. Everything here is looking at me funny. I don't. Aha. And now, my master can. Oh, crap. What the frick? Is this boat or van? You know, the shoes? How did this thing. Hey, now it's a convertible. Wait a minute. I've got one more trick up my sleeve. One more trick up my sleeve. Possibly two, I don't know. Nope, just, I'm horrible at aim. Hey, you get out the way! Now you're just in the way even more, stupid. And now. Oh! You know, I always gotta add something from Gmod. I don't know where in God's name that went. E to drive the vehicle. Wow, this vehicle is really in bad condition, huh? Wait a minute. I'm flying! Oh wait, no, I'm not. Ah! What the heck did I just... Oh my crap. Oh god. What did I just do? Oh my god, I'm flying! Oh heck! Dude, that is OP. No, I'm gonna die! Oh, goodbye, buddy. Nope, nope, you're coming everywhere I go. You're coming with me everywhere I go. God dang it. Screw you, boat. You gotta come. Oh, God! Hey, you're still on. Oh, okay, crap. No, never mind. Oh, God. This thing is OP. Another boat! Come here. Come hither. What is that? There's a whole other. Wait, where is it? Oh my God, this map is giant, but come hither, my friend. I'm gonna see if I can clutch this. Holy heck, I just clutched that. Oh my God. shoot a vehicle while I'm in. Oh, and we've got that little paddle boat behind us. But I don't exactly like that. Screw you, paddle boat. Yeah, no, actually, never mind. I got a pretty fun plan for this, actually, bro. Can I spawn a person? Do I have any humans? Random. Oh, those are maps. Hold on. Oh, I'll just put Freddy in there. I'll just put Freddy in the paddle boat. There you go, Freddy. Oh, he's too fat. Okay. Freddy, where did you go? Where did you go, Freddy? 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 Freddy! Oh crap, guys, I lost Freddy. Oh no. Can I fly using this thing? Well, no, it's not broken. Now that I can't put Freddy on here, I'm actually going to. Goodbye, folks. I will not stop until you're out of my sight. Screw you, paddle boat. Screw you. Where'd that go? Oh. Well, he's going to a bigger pond. He's going to a better place now. Well, well, well. What do we have here? A thing to jump. Oh, man. God dang it. I can't go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What do we have here? Oh, crap. No! I immediately destroyed the thing, bro. What the heck? Whatever, bro. You're coming with me. If you want to be like that, stupid boat, you're coming with me. Where did that go? Wait, nope, nope. I've got bigger plans for you. I've got bigger plans for you! God dang it, bro. Yeah. I can have plans for this umbrella instead. I got big plans for you. I got big plans for you. My plans are for you to sit here and give me some shade. Just kidding, you're flying off into the sunset. This thing is amazing, bro. Yeah. I'm gonna spawn another Freddy. Wait, you know what? I've not messed around with creative mode yet. Hold on. I've never messed around with this. Okay, so. Boom, boom. Crap, I screwed up! Up arrow to erase. What? Huh? What does up mean? Okay, who cares? Line, and then, alright now. Boom, boom. Wait, crap! No! Escape. How do I fly? Oh, okay, I guess I can't fly. Like, can I? Oh, yeah, I can. How do I go to shape? Oh, okay, hold on. Draw. Brush size. Okay, wait, hold on. Okay, this ain't working out. Oh, wait. Okay, hold on. There. Cyclops Bob. Behold. Cyclops Bob. Cyclops Bob forever. Oh no, I'm gonna have to hurt Cyclops Bob. I have to hurt his toes. Sorry, Cyclops Bob, but you can't have any toes. You know what else you can't have? You also can't have a face. And you know what else you can't have? Oh, no, you know. E- Goodbye, Bob. What? Oh my god, he's going to a better place. What was that? His arm or something? Hold on. What is that? Yeah, that's part of his arm. Oh my god, Bob. Wow. Well, you've been through some very tough times, haven't you? Oh, hey, well, you still got one more. Oh god, sorry, Bob. Goodbye, Bob. You sucked anyways. You gotta get rid of the evidence that he was here. I love the way you can just fling things out of existence using this tool. By the way, if you've never played this game, the gravity gun is not in the base game, it's a mod. I feel like you should know that. Crap. God dang it, bro. Can I? Oh, I can. It just extends the string. Oh, wait a minute. Nah, yo. Yo, what the heck? Why is there two of them? Nah, ain't that different. Oh. Destroy it. No. Three. Quick, three. Destroy it. And destroy it. And destroy it. Destroy this whole place. Hey, look, another boat. Ooh, ooh. Wow, I'm so high in the sky. I believe I can fly. No, I don't. I believe I can fall and die. I believe I can clutch this. I believe I can clutch it and land in the boat. No, I couldn't clutch it. I clutched it last time. I can't see anything with all the blur on my screen. Oh, the house got caught on fire. Good. Actually, I'd like to help that fire. Don't I have a flamethrower mod? Guess not. I have to get the blowtorch in. Blowtorch. Burn. Oh, that did not start a fire. Glad there's a fire already started by the brums. Wait a minute, I think the rocket launcher causes fire, don't it? Good. Hold up. Yeah, it does cause fire. I think. Wait. No, it doesn't. About the bomb. Oh. Oh, yeah, I just gotta place it. Go back! Leave! Let me out of here! Oh, god dang it. Crap, I'm screwed. I'm fricked. I'm fricked. Why didn't I just hear a FNAF jump scare? Yo, what the heck, dude? Was that Freddy? Yo, Freddy! Were you in that house? Is that the remains of the? Don't tell me that's the remains of the paddle boat that I destroyed. You better die, paddle boat. No, I think that has nothing to do with the paddle boat. Oh yeah, because I found that up. No starfish allowed. No starfish allowed. No starfish. It must die. Crap! Go back, bro! My controls aren't working. Why do I keep hearing a FNAF jump scare? Dude, what the heck? Why do I keep hearing a FNAF jump scare? That is actually so weird. Oh, maybe it's because when the FNAF animatronics kill you, it plays a jump scare. And the person who made the mod was too lazy to code it to where the animatronics would, where it would only play if the animatronics attacked you. So they just made it happen every time you get attacked. I don't like this dog. I want it gone. Oh, there's nothing. I said I don't want you. I said I don't like you. I want you gone. Oh crap! Now I'm stuck underneath the people. Wait, no, I'm not. Goodbye, Mr. Duck. I hope you die in the fire. That's probably copyrighted, but I don't care. I'm enjoying myself. Yo, what the frick? Oh dang, bro! I just ripped a piece of the sign off, bro. Oh boy, a good old power line. I don't like this. This is a robbery, except I'm not taking anything, so it's just terrorism. I don't know what to call it. Go back. S, S, S. I'm clicking S. I clicked S. Let me go back. I'm clicking S. See, there's the FNAF jump scare again. What the heck? I really don't know how long I've been recording. Hold on. Let me check. And it won't even let me check. Oh, wait, I guess 33 minutes or something? I don't know. Oh, misclick. Oh, I'm going insane. I'm going insane. I'm going insane. I'm going insane. Goodbye, new world. Oh, excuse me. Hold on. Heck. Oh yeah, the laser gun can cause fires. So I'm going to cause a fire. This thing is supposed to go through all materials. Yeah, right there. Not going through it. Nah, bro. Godzilla's atomic breath. Did it not go through the floor? I thought it went through all materials. Oh. Yeah, I love starting forest fire. Oh crap! No, no, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't either. None of you do. None of you do, I say. I say none of you do. Anyways, I'm gonna get back to killing trees. Oh, goodbye, pal. Don't you dare fall on me. Hey, hey, what the heck? What in God's name? Sorcery! I call shenanigans. You sorcerer. This leaf is a sorcerer. You're a sorcerer. Ah, shenanigans! Shenanigans! I call shenanigans. Hey, you, die. Hey, shenanigans. Right, there we go. Hey, hey, shenanigans. Shenanigans again. Stop it with all the shenanigans. Better fall down. You better fall down and die right now, or I swear to gosh. Well, looks like you're also a sorcerer. No, god dang me. I swear to God. Actually, no, I don't. Sorcery! How? Oh, okay, I was just too far away. Move, stupid! Let me kill your best friend, or whoever the heck this is, bro. Okay, there we go. Alright, now. Time to cut down every tree in the area. Hello? You're hanging on by 1 pixel. What? What? Oh, crap. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, no, you don't. Every single tree in this whole area is getting cut down. Hey, move. Whatever the heck that is. Hey! 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 Why aren't you falling? Hey, screw you! Aiding the enemy. Aiding the enemy. Hey, you're an enemy as well, so you deserve to die too. Hey, move. I aim to cut down every tree here. This will take a while. Die. Hey, bro. No, get out. Hey, hey. I said get out of here. Minigun, probably better. Never mind, no, it's not. Pipe bombs. Heck yeah. Screw the environment. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. Ooh, gotta die as well. Is that an egg? Green eggs and ham? Except the eggs are not green. Yo, green eggs and ham. Oh, that's an what? Elevator? What am I actually saying? That is an umbrella. And it deserves to die. Hey, I said you deserve. Oh, frick, oh, frick, oh, frick, oh, frick, oh, frick. Hey, I said you deserve to die, bro. And so do you, Mr. Tree. You know what? I'm spawning the biggest vehicle to ever exist. Uh, the shredded dozer seems like a pretty good vehicle to destroy nature. And it looks like one too. Hmm. Well, that's good. I said E, enter vehicle. Hey, bro, shredder. Alright, so. Oh, heck yeah, bro. Rotation control. Alright, now time to destroy the environment. Hey, go. Drive, bro. Why can't I drive? Drive, bro. Hey guys, Corndale Dingle here. Today we're destroying everything in this forest. Well, not everything, but we are destroying a lot. Time to kill all the trees, bro. Oh my god, yes, this is amazing. That dumb thing got stuck! Bro, screw you for getting stuck. Screw you for getting stuck. Hey, I said, screw you for getting stuck. There it goes. I just literally watched it despawn. Right now, hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on. I don't need that. Oh, wait. Hold on. Oh, dang, I forgot that I even had humans. Watch it. Oh, I was gonna say my car. Arm. You don't need it. Oh, I thought I shot his arm off. Oh, you can't destroy them? Oh man, that's so. We can do Gmod roleplays. We got ragdolls. We got ragdolls. We can finally do Gmod roleplays in Teardown. Right, so, okay, now I just need to do nothing. No, let's get a police officer because why not? Hey, you're gonna shoot? No, no shooting. This guy looks perfectly fine. Oh wait, oh yeah, the body. That's the strat. I mean, that's the strat for Gmod human characters. Why wouldn't it be for? He still aims his gun. Wow. He's like, "Hey, you're under arrest." And he's like, "You'll never take me alive." And then the officer takes him alive. He's like, "What? Yes, I will." Oh, he went the entirely wrong way. Anyways, You know what? Military. We gotta get the tank. We gotta get the good old tank out. Wow, that caused a very big fire. Nope, nope, nope. I said go backwards. Go backwards, Brad. I said go backwards, Brad. Oh, nah, bro, that's an absolute horrible, horrible, horrible. Turn, stupid. Turn, bro. Okay, turn. Oh, alright, now. Why don't we spawn a Monster 7? I don't know how many monster. Oh, it's just a monster truck. Okay. 1.5? Why does that exist, bro? You know, let's get the Killdozer. It looks and sounds very cool. Hey, let me out there, bro. Kill some people with Killdozer. Oh, heck yeah. Oh, heck yeah. I got big boy plans for this thing. Heck yes, I do. Alright now. Alright now. Time to kill something with a Killdozer. Holy heck yeah, bro. Time to kill some trees with a Killdozer, man. Killdozer can't go forward. Yes, it can. Oh, stupid Killdozer. Stupid Killdozer. Oh, okay. Well, screw the Killdozer anyway. Goodbye. He moves on to a better place. Oh, so do I. I also move on to a better place. Hey, I said you move on to a better place. Go! Go! Oh, crap. Space. Mm. Wow, the tree actually saved me from losing all of my health. And in return, now I will kill you, Mr. Tree, in return for saving my life. Does that imply that I wanted to die? No. Do I? Maybe. In Teardown, of course. Wait a minute, what if I just spawn a living human? Like, without even killing them? No, non-industrial. Like, female citizen. Freak! I forgot I had to actually spawn a female citizen. Nah, bro. Nah, bro, screw you. Oh, that really did nothing, bro. Die. Like, what if I just take a police officer? Bro. I'm like, hey, man, I don't like the way you're looking at me. Is he gonna shoot me? Well, he is, but he sucks at aiming. Shoot me, stupid. Bro, he's like, oh no, I keep missing him. Oh no, oh no, where did he go? Oh crap, I can't shoot him. Dude, where did he go? Oh, okay. Goodbye. But hello. Goodbye. But hello. No! Rip. Rip, Mr. Police Officer. What is that? No, I don't know. Hold up. I'm gonna see how long I've been recording for. 50 minutes. Wow. This is close to that hour-long video I made. Well, anyways, I think that's about it for today's video. That's where I'm gonna call it. So, I hope you guys really did enjoy this video. If you can see my mouse, oh well, that's very weird. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this. Oh, hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.